Bonjour Shopify world, my name is Andrew from EcomExperts.io, and in this video, if you stick to the very end, you're going to be able to modify your own code so that whenever a variant is sold out, it just gets hidden automatically. Now, I made this other video where I realized that Carol Basket from the Tiger King had found a workaround around it, and the workaround was kind of labor intensive. So I was like, just let me give you a how to code video so you can just add the code yourself and it goes automatically and you don't have to go find which products are sold out and delete them and this and that. So with that said, let's jump straight into our demo shop right here. Oh, actually, before I continue, the instructions on how to do this step by step with the actual pieces of code that you can just copy paste in and that I will now copy paste in, you can find that in the link below. So below there is a description link. You just click on that, you follow that, and you will have the full step by step instructions completely free of charge. So that's that. Let's jump into the store right here. So this is our demo store, as you can see. And we're going to check out how it looks right now. So currently, vintage camera, there is a small, there is a medium, and there is a large. Look at that, it is sold out. I am an angry customer right now because I wanted the large and the large is not there. No worries, we will fix this. So first things first, we will go to the online store section right here. Now, once you arrive here, you can see the theme, and I always not even recommend, this is just mandatory that you have to do, is you have to start by creating a duplicate of that theme. So you go to actions, you click on duplicate, and there is a backup version right here that gets created. We're going to work on that backup version just to make sure that any changes that we make doesn't affect any live customers coming to our site. So you gotta wait a bit until that is up to date, and here you go, it is ready to go. So once that is done, we are going to go into the code. So you click on actions and then you click on edit code. You wait a bit and then you will see exactly this. Now we are going to go into the product template. So here are your templates and you look for the product one. It should be, here you go, product.liquid. You will scroll to the very bottom of that page and you will paste whatever code we have just provided to you. So it basically says if the product option size is equal to 1, then you're going to launch this little script to say, hey, if it's the variant is still in stock, show it. If not, don't show it. So there we go. Once that is done, we click on save. And then we're going to go to the asset JavaScript file. So for that, you go in here back, you go to the very bottom and there is the asset. And then you look for something like theme.js or, oh, here, theme.js. So here is kind of a thing. If you are using currently a free theme, other than Brooklyn or Native. So this does not apply to you if you're using Brooklyn or Native. If you're using any other theme like Debut, myself, other not Brooklyn or Native, you just go into theme.js and you paste the code that I provided at the very bottom of the file again. Here you go. And we're going to paste it. And we can save. Now, if you're using the Brooklyn theme or if you're using the narrative theme, there's two clear blocks in the explanation. You just have to do exactly what you did, but with another type of code. So just copy paste a different code in there. It's pretty easy. Brooklyn theme, it says which one to copy paste. Narrative theme, which one to copy paste, but all the rest stays exactly the same. So once that is done, you can click save, and then we gotta go check out if this works. So for that, we're gonna go back to the online store. We're going to go into actions right here and click on preview. Let's see the vintage camera. We have the small and we have the medium, but we do not have the large anymore. So now that we know it works, all we have to do is put that backup version where we made the modification live. It's pretty easy to do. We click on actions right here and we click on publish. We gotta wait a bit. Are you sure you want to publish this? Yes, I am 100% sure. We publish it, and now all of our store visitors will see the correct version, the version that we just built with the accurate number of variants. So if the large variant is sold out, it will not show the large variant anymore. Couple of side notes on this: it does not delete an entire product. So if a product doesn't have any variants, it won't hide the actual product. And I always recommend to, instead of doing this, or in addition of doing this, have the little pop-up that appears that says, hey, this variant is sold out. Just leave your email address below and we will text you or email you as soon as the variant is back in stock. That way you collect data, you can kind of see which products are in demand, and then when you have something in stock again, you know you have an audience, the 10 people that put their email address in, you probably know that between 2 and 5 should be buying at that point. So I mean, yes, it's free up to 250 emails with Klaviyo, I believe. You can have some apps for it. Anyway, I talked about that in a Carol Basket video. You can go check that out. I hope this was useful, that you got something out of it. Make sure to check out my other coding videos where I explain little codes. I also do app reviews and just general Shopify news. It depends on the outfit that I found. That way you can easily recognize which is which. Thank you very much. Give it a subscribe, give it a like, and I'll see you in the next video. Ciao, bye.